In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney for insane packaging design. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. You'll see the official Midjourney site appear near the top of the results. Click that to go straight to the platform. If you're already familiar with it, this part will feel quick. If not, don't worry. Just follow along and you'll be fine. Once you're on the site, look for the option to add images. This is where you'll upload a reference photo. A reference image helps guide the model toward the look and feel you want, especially for packaging. Choose something clean and relevant, like a simple photo of a box, pouch, or bottle that matches your product category. A clear, well-lit image with minimal background distractions works best. If you have brand cues, such as a specific shape or material, pick a photo that hints at those details. Now drag and drop your chosen image into the upload area. You should see a thumbnail preview when it's successfully added. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. This visual anchor improves consistency and often speeds up getting to a usable design. Next, it's time to craft your prompt. Think of the prompt as your creative brief. Describe the subject, the angle, the background, the art style, and the mood. For example, you can use a prompt like this: Tea Packaging Front View, White Background by Agnes Lawrence Pelton. Doodle, Marker Art, Cool Color Palette, High Contrast. This combination tells the model what the product is, how to frame it, the backdrop you want, and the artistic direction. You can swap T for your product type, change front view to 3/4 view if you need more depth, or adjust the style terms to match your brand's personality. Clarity and specificity are key. When your reference image and prompt are ready, click Submit. The system will generate options based on your instructions. Give it a moment to process. As the results appear, scan for strong hierarchy, readable typography areas, and a layout that would translate well to print. If a concept is close but not perfect, refine your wording. Perhaps tighten the color language, emphasize materials like matte paper or foil, or include terms like minimal, playful, or premium to nudge the direction. That's it. You've used Google to find Midjourney, uploaded a reference, written a targeted prompt, and submitted it to produce standout packaging concepts. Keep iterating until you land on a design that feels right for your product.